This video will cover the Usage Efficiency IVA report. First, log in and navigate to Reports, Cost and Variance, Usage Efficiency IVA. Usage efficiency pages metrics are used to gauge how efficiently stores are using products across the company. The page is designed to help visualize actual usage compared to ideal usage. Usage efficiency can also be used as a benchmark, showing a guideline for the average across stores. As a reminder, actual usage is beginning inventory plus purchases minus inventory. Ideal usage is menu recipe amounts times menu mix. This is tracking items entered through your point of sale and applying recipes that are entered in Decision Logic. This report will automatically load and display after posting inventory. First, notice at the top right, there is a help button that gives you the options to start tour. This will take you through a walkthrough of the page. Customer knowledge base. This will take you to the supply chain article with links to the functions of the site that will impact usage efficiency. And usage efficiency link will take you to an article about the calculations used in this page. Lastly, the customer support portal. This will take you to our help desk if you still have questions about this page. To use this report, first select a store from the dropdown and select a period week range that you want to view. Click Apply. You will then see the selected date range just below. There are 5 options that this report allows you to view from different angles. In the top left, the By Category button will toggle pre-sorting the ingredients into their respective COGS category groups. Note that the tour and some other functions of the page are affected when this is toggled on. Just below this is the top or bottom option to view the largest positive or negative variances. Next, select how many items you want to see, 10, 20, or all. Note that toggling the By Category option will default to displaying all ingredients in the cost of goods section that is selected. The next section to the right will list your cost of goods sections broken out into their own buttons. So liquor, food, merchandise, and other. The last option is to choose how you want to view this report. Sales percentage will display your ideal versus actual variance as a percentage of sales. Usage efficiency will display your ideal versus actual variance as a usage efficiency. Again, note that toggling the By Category option will give you the option of alphabetizing the category lists by name instead of the usage efficiency view. This report displays the Decision Logic ingredient number followed by the description. Usage efficiency bar shows blue as the percentage of IVA variance 0 to 100%. All blue being 0 variance or 100% efficiency. The black bar is where the average efficiency is for all stores. You can hover over them to see the percentage down to the hundredths place. Next, you will see inventory amount as the inventory measure, then the cost that is calculated by your company's inventory accounting method. Most commonly, FIFO or first in, first out. Last, you will see the ideal versus actual variance as a percentage of sales. You can click anywhere on the line to bring you to the item detail page for the ingredient. This will give you the full IVA breakdown for the numbers used in the ideal and actual calculations. Beginning inventory, purchases, ending inventory, ideal usage, and recorded waste. To go back to the usage efficiency report, press the items link at the top left or the back button in your web browser. And that is the usage efficiency report.